and change of axis. In this topic, first question is the equation of the locus of the point whose distance from x-axis is twice the distance from y-axis is. So we take the coordinate axis. This is origin, x-axis and y-axis. If p x comma y is a point on the first coordinate, draw Pm perpendicular to the x-axis and draw Pn perpendicular to the y-axis. Pm means the distance from P to the x-axis is always equals to y coordinate on P. So mod y. And the distance from P to the y-axis is always equals to the x coordinate on P. So that is mod x. Given the distance from x-axis is twice the distance from y-axis. That is given distance from x-axis is equal to twice, means 2 times the distance from y-axis. That is, distance from x-axis means y-axis, mod y is equal to 2 into distance from y-axis is mod x. Locus is always the second degree equation, so that's why we are applying squaring on both sides. Y square is equal to 4x, which is the required locus of a given point. Second question, if the equation of the locus of a point equidistance from the points a1, b1 and a2, b2 is a1 minus a2 into x plus b1 minus b2 into y plus c is equal to 0, then what is the value of c? That means if the locus of a point which is equidistant from these 2 points is like that, so what is the value of the constant c? Let p x1 x comma y be a point such that PA is equal to PB, where A, A1, B1 and B, A2, B2. So that implies PA is equal to PB. That means equidistance, and that means PA square is equal to PB square. PA square means distance between these 2 points. That is x minus a whole square, a1 whole square plus y minus b1 whole square is equal to x minus a2 whole square plus y minus b2 whole square. Squaring on both, expanding x square plus a1 square minus 2ax a1 into x plus y square plus b1 square minus 2by1 b1 y is equal to x square plus a2 square minus 2a2x plus y square plus b2 square minus 2b2y. Now here x square and here x square both are cancelled, y square is cancelled. Now we take minus 2ax1 into this side. All these values are taken into right side. So now 2 into a1 minus a2 into x plus 2 into b1 minus b2 into y and plus a2 square minus a1 square plus b2 square minus b1 square is equal to 0. Now it can taken 2 is common and a1 minus a2 into x plus b1 minus b2 into y plus 1 by 2 into a2 square plus b2 square minus a1 square minus b1 square is equal to 0. This is the required equation of a locus. This equation is compared with this one. C is equal to 1 by 2 into a2 square plus b2 square minus a1 square minus b1 square. This is the value of C. Question number 4. If A 5 comma minus 4, B 7 comma 6 are points in a plane, then the set of all points P x comma y in the plane such that AP is to PB is equal to 2 is to 3 is. So given AP by BP is equal to 2 by 3. So that implies 3 AP is equal to 2 into BP. That implies squaring on both sides, 9 AP square is equal to 4 into BP square. So that implies 9 into AP square minus means distance from A to P, that is x minus 5 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square is equal to 4 into BP square. Distance between these 2 points, x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. Now simplifying, we get the locus is x square plus y square minus 34 by 5 into x plus 128y plus 29 by 5 is equal to 0. Question number 5. A 0 comma 6, B 6 comma 0 are 2 points if P is a point such that angle APB is equal to 90 degrees. Then the locus of P is. So given points A 0 comma 6, this lies on y-axis. Since x is equal to 0, so that's why the point lies on y-axis. And B 0 comma 6 comma 0, this point lies on x-axis. So we're taking a coordinate axis like this. B is a point on x-axis 6 comma 0, on y-axis 0 comma 6, and these 2 points P x comma y is a point which makes an angle 90 degrees. Given angle APB is equal to 90 degrees. APB is 90 degrees. And join these 2 points. Now we get a right angled triangle. From this right angled triangle, we know that this is the hypotenuse, this is adjacent, and this is opposite side. So from right angled triangle, from triangle APB, AB square is equal to PS square plus PB square. AB square means square root of 36 plus 36. 6 square plus 6 square is 36. That is called PS square. That means x square plus y minus 6 whole square plus PB square. That means x minus 6 whole square plus y square. So this is 72 is equal to 2x square plus 2y square minus 12y minus 12x plus 36 plus 36. Both are cancelled. Now we take x square plus y square minus 6y minus 6x is equal to 0. This is the required locus.